Are you tired of starting your day with sugary cereals or bland toast only to feel hungry and sluggish an hour later? Well, French biochemist Jessie Inchauspé, known as the glucose goddess on social media, has a game-changing solution. In a recent Instagram post, she revealed her top 5 protein-packed breakfast ideas that not only keep your energy levels stable, but also satisfy your taste buds. But here's where it gets controversial. Jessie insists that even beloved options like avocado toast are incomplete without one crucial ingredient: protein. Let's dive into her expert advice and discover how to transform your morning meal. Published on September 19, 2025. Jessie's post, titled "My Top 5 Easy Breakfasts," focuses on savory, glucose-friendly options that are both quick and nutritious. From no-cook wonders to creative ways to repurpose dinner leftovers. Her suggestions are designed to make your mornings hassle-free. And this is the part most people miss. Jessie emphasizes that a protein-rich breakfast isn't just about eggs. Think Greek yogurt, lentils, or even tofu. But why does protein matter so much? Jessie explains that it helps balance meals that might otherwise rely too heavily on starches or fats, like avocado toast, which she calls just starch and fat without an added protein source. No-cook breakfast options. In her video, Jessie highlights simple, no-cook ideas like Greek yogurt with nuts or a bagel topped with cream cheese and salmon. The bagel is optional, she notes, acknowledging its starchy nature but praising its delicious pairing with savory toppings. She also recommends avocado toast, but with a twist. Avocado toast on its own doesn't have protein, she warns. Add eggs on top to make it a complete meal. Cooked breakfast options. For those who don't mind firing up the stove, Jessie suggests omelettes, her personal favorite. My go-to is an omelette with cherry tomatoes and feta cheese, she shares. It's so good, I have it nearly every day. She also encourages using dinner leftovers like lentils or chicken, sautéing them with eggs for a quick savory breakfast. But here's a thought-provoking question. Is reheating last night's dinner for breakfast lazy? Or is it a genius way to save time and reduce food waste? Let us know in the comments. Add healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, seeds, nut butter, olive oil, or butter. 3. Include optional fiber. Bonus points for adding veggies like green beans, tomatoes, or mushrooms. 4. Add optional starch, bread, potatoes, or steel-cut oats for texture. 5. Finish with whole fruit. Berries are her top pick for a touch of sweetness. While this article is based on user-generated social media content and not independently verified by HT.com, Jessie's insights offer a fresh perspective on morning nutrition. Remember, this is for informational purposes only and shouldn't replace professional medical advice. But here's the real question. Are you ready to rethink your breakfast routine? Share your thoughts and your favorite breakfast ideas in the comments below.